Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to send and reply to one-to-one emails in HubSpot. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your HubSpot account credentials. This will give you access to your dashboard where all your contact management and communication tools are located. After you're logged in, you'll need to decide where you want to send or reply to your one-to-one emails. For this tutorial, I'll be working with contacts, which is one of the most common areas for sending individual emails. On the left side of your screen, look for and click on CRM. This will open up your customer relationship management section. From there, click on contacts to access your full contact list. Now browse through your contacts and click on the name of the person you want to email. This will open up their detailed contact profile where you can see all their information and previous interactions. On the left side of this profile, under the contact details section, you'll see an option labeled email. Click on that to open up the email composition window. This is where you'll create your personalized one-to-one message. Once the email editor opens, start by entering your subject line in the appropriate field. This is important because a clear subject line helps your recipient understand what your email is about before they even open it. Below that, type your message in the main text area. Now here's where HubSpot really shines with its additional features. At the top of the editor, you'll notice several helpful options. You can click sequences to add a follow-up sequence to your email, ensuring consistent communication. There's also a documents button that lets you attach or link to important files. If you need to schedule a meeting, click meetings to insert proposed times or include a scheduling link directly in your email. And if you're discussing pricing or proposals, you can click quotes to add relevant quote information. Moving down to the bottom of the email editor, you'll find standard formatting options that help you style your message. You can make text bold, italic, or underlined to emphasize key points. There's also a link icon that allows you to insert clickable URLs, making it easy to direct recipients to specific web pages. Additionally, you can click the image icon to add visual elements to your email, which can make your message more engaging and professional looking. Once you've crafted your email, added all necessary attachments or links, and formatted everything exactly how you want it, take a moment to review your message. When everything looks good, click the send button to deliver your one-to-one email directly to your contact. And that's it, you've successfully sent a personalized email through HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.